Hey guys, I'm here today with December's paper pumpkin. It is titled Day by Day. It is a project paper pumpkin. It's not a card making this month. So, like always, I'm going to take everything out and then we will get started on the contents and then the project. So here is the project sheet for this month's paper pumpkin, excuse me. Like I said, it's called Day by Day. It's December 2018. It is a calendar one, which I'm kind of mixed on projects because I make cards and I sell my cards, and it's kind of hard to make a project and sell that or find a place to store it until I could use it. So this, though, I'm really excited about because this is something I would use, maybe keep on my craft desk or craft area. But it makes a little calendar, and then you have this sweet little box if you wanted to give it as a gift that you could give. So here's the picture, and then here are all the contents. We'll go through each of the contents. If you're not familiar with Paper Pumpkin, it is a monthly subscription. If you are thinking about signing up, what I would do is wait and sign up during celebration, because there are different levels of Paper Pumpkin, and once you hit a certain level, you qualify to earn free product. So I'll talk more about that next month when everything goes live, the new catalog and celebration and the occasions catalog. By the way, if you have purchased from me in the last 6 months of $50 or more, you will receive a celebration catalog and an occasions catalog. I mailed those out yesterday, so hopefully they'll get to you within a week or so. You know, with the holidays around, mail's a little slow. So by January 3rd, when the catalog goes live, hopefully you have it and you can order anything if you'd like. Okay, so let me get my sheet back and go through everything. This kit, you get 2 stamp sets. So the 2 you get are Pool Party and Grapefruit Grove. I have these full-size ink pads, so as always, I will be keeping these sealed and bringing in the full size. You get a photopolymer stamp set. This is called Day by Day. It has some decorative elements in it. Hello, every day is a fresh start as your sentiments. You get 18 calendar pages. Let me open this. 18 calendar pages. So, they're out of order, but I'm assuming, so it's a year and a half? So I'll have to make sure, because I saw a couple Januaries, a couple Mays. I'll have to make sure that I put them in the right order because they are already numbered. So make sure that this upcoming May, Friday is the 1st. Anyway, so you get 18 of those. So it is a year and a half, which is really cool. I like that a lot. You get a printed, one printed gift box. So this really pretty wood grain with the lid. You get 1 chipboard backing. Oh, okay, I get it. This is for your calendar. So I'll just do 1 sheet. It'll go like this. So it has that backing. Really nice. 1 sheet of gold foil tags right here, which, why so many? It'd be nice to have these in my stash, but I wonder why they included so many. Anyway, 5 sheets of white die cut stickers. This is what you'll decorate and stick on your calendar. And then 3 yards of weave ribbon. This beautiful, I'm assuming this is Pool Party ribbon. You get a ton of it. Gorgeous. And you get 1 yard of baker's twine. So this shouldn't be too much to put together. I'm going to put these calendars in order, and then we'll go ahead and get started on the project. Okay, so I have my 2 full-size ink pads out. Of course, you can use any colors you want. I'm just sticking strictly to the kit. And I have all my images on some stamping blocks. The only thing I don't have on my stamping block is this line. But the sentiments and then this circle. This circle is great if you want to stamp certain dates. Or I'm sorry, stamp circles around certain dates of your calendar. but I'm just going to let that be for now. So I have my 5 sheets of 4 stickers. I'm just going to stamp out 1 sheet with you. I'll stamp out the rest off camera, and then I will put it together so you see the assembly process. But you guys, the stamping is whatever you want it to be, but I will just do 1 sheet with you for demonstration. I'm going to keep the sheets, the little strips on this sheet while I stamp. Alright, so here are my designs I did. I just was kind of really random, not really trying to be perfect. I thought I wanted them to look more organic and just kind of did various things. So what we're going to do now is we are going to stick these. This one. So here's my calendar. Grab the first month, and we're just going to adhere them right below the holes, but above the date, obviously. I want to make sure I get this straight. Just like that. Into February. Really simple. Like if you get this, if you are a subscriber and you get this before Christmas, this would make a really quick, simple Christmas gift. Oops. I did not get that straight or even. Let's see if I can peel this off gently. Did rip the paper a little, but that's okay. Yeah, these are really sticky, so when you adhere them down, make sure that's where you want them. And then I'll do this final one with you. You guys get the idea. This is a very simple project. And then I will do the rest off camera, and then we will assemble the whole thing. There we go. Isn't that adorable? Alright, so I'm going to take some of this ribbon. I've stacked all of my pieces together. I'm going to first take the ribbon and run it through here. And I'm just going to kind of judge. I'm sure the directions give you measurements, but I am not going to worry about the measurements. So I stuck this through here. I just want enough to be able to tie a bow. So you could then tie a bow like this, and they could have it on their desk or whatever. But another way to do it, and I believe this is the way I'll do it, is to do it the other way. So you start in here. I'm going to trim these edges off. And then you have a calendar you could hang. Isn't that adorable? Oh my gosh, this project is great. So if you were giving this as a gift, you could then put this in the gift box, however you want to wrap it, and then stick your lid on top. And then you could use this to tie a bow around it and then add a to and from gift tag. So it would look like this. So really cute. Love this project. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you're interested in Paper Pumpkin, my link will be below. Also, if you get Paper Pumpkin, you also do get an occasions and celebration catalog. So just know that if you are an active Paper Pumpkin subscriber of mine, I do send catalogs out to you. So let me know if you have any questions about Paper Pumpkin. Stay tuned for more videos coming in the upcoming days. I will have a couple videos at the beginning of January featuring some of the occasions catalog, so stay tuned for that. Don't forget, if you do ever place an order, to use that hostess code down below on the most current video if you have to come back and reference it. And I will catch you guys next time. Bye!